Cause now me share about 68,000 teachers or so I am post you omo. Now me share over the about 6-7 years. Ghana produce somewhere around 140,000 or so teachers are. Or share the number of teachers are here according to the Ghana Education Service. What it means in say we are producing twice the number of teachers are here. And there are areas they are still complaining that there are schools but there are no teachers. And that is worrying. Because already the number that you are producing are buying bien wa obetima for teachers now. Because they say we had the deficit always about 68,000 or so or what. Omoya and kakra. Next year, all the colleges of education, at the become. Now, interestingly, aside the college of education, universities didn't so ebimonsu produce teachers. Mature more direct degree our university to say Winneba, UCC, private universities ne so produce teachers. So I ask myself, say, our economy needs to recruit all these teachers. So we have omo pension, sabi, omo free mu, omo jai adichere. O quantify the numbers now. Teacher for dodoa ye produce as a minor. A doors chain deficit a work classrooms also replace. But day in, day out, every year, we still have teachers that comes out. I was supposed to. So it tells you something is not right. And this same reason here, I know can people don't want to hear it, but yaba crossroader, yabedruho. Because if you look at the history, yadema teacher training allowance, nursing training allowances now are forfeiting a purpose. No? But we don't want to tell ourselves the truth, and we are doing politics out of it. The more reason why, to me, we are producing a lot of lazy people. Because obi onuma, we have been in a classroom. O teacher ni akacha oda. So onye adwuma pa bia obejai teacher no. Enti teaching na okoi no. Eya so ko teaching say okwa akope teaching na aye. Minimum obi a oko teacher training a enipa ni bibia se teacher ni. Obi na no so kire say teacher ni nie. I say you are dancing dini abadi a dance a kire. Otim say akowe dia gift nyame dia man ayo kire ni na ko obeko no a headmaster and a head teacher. Come on. And so onko. Osora wa ko tina office fufuro. Ne calling na nkasa ne de wo de ato. Because on say adwuma ne nya adwuma pa. Sabi. But ko betima ye no na kwa ye we so aka. But kwasem ne say Mr. Jakwa de asre. Are aso wakwa sorry aso fu di bridge there. Are wo ala.
Nipa fucking. Nipa you.
Wow. Na o hwe be ma tintin gamo na ogina board anim na otworo kama. Twabrofo akese ne ayi e de amankwara na cheche omu a. Akenya asem kito. But nipa no akọ training college na wie. Akọ tena baby. Enti allowance e de man teacher training na wadi ahyiska ne kwa. Wa sika no and only classroom. Because ohwe ne ho fama no body suit no body tie no yeah chalk be ko nani. They not air condition. It is the American and say the truth of the matter and say sa teacher training allowance, nursing training allowance, no bufo. John Dramani my part one, sad decision taking was the best. But MPP for money here among yourself and Jomba won't restore. Restore Drew Bebna Quadan Grant mean tia. And then nursing training allowance, it mean what no moon tia over no man bomb no matriaka cra. Maybe our nursing, so I know what I'm talking about. Over no matriaka, over that and bow, no say. Oh yeah, wow. And you see. Sa idea na ye de teacher training allowance no any nursing training o se yi free ho na ye hu the true people a omu pese omu ye nurse and teachers because that bia ye benya backlog the entire makers say it's not happen the trainees as well because so good teacher training certificate hwe teacher di enimu na awo because a professional job. Enti bank emfaw. Se bank be fa ada connection mu o shepa. Na say bia wo no ye accounting wo school. Any accounting obu ahwe any accounting se no so ni accounting ba kokra. To no hwe ne pounds akwa di crash di account so ne di teacher. Enti you should discourage that extra numbers na yen discourage that extra numbers na yenyam by taking the allowance away. Ye take allowance ni fra bebrebe hu omu true talent bebrebe ko gyness in it teacher training ni ko. Then we have our because they say oko technical schools ni bebre a omo nya ni po. Oh, Kobusa KSTU, Kobusa STU, Kobusa TKU, TTU. Kobusa. The number do munya those times pole no. Eswate. Se chancellor biabe ka no crash wa. Oko pole na say I training colleges, I technical universities na. Eswate even time I have been universities. Eswate. Compared to the previous years. Because ye be a MPB aba also be nursing college awo ne honum and achievement. Obi aba also be teacher training wo ne honum and achievement. And ye be more colleges. And then nipa na I was a core other institutions no. We are drawing all of them to the colleges because what you anya show benya allowance all the way ya automatic obenya dwumai. But no kwasem pa ewom ni say onwie na backlog na egu ono a ye hwese teacher phone bi be ko pension na ebi be wu na ebi be ja adwuma na ede omba be hyem no esua that same person no o de ne kwa akurase a ozibuei. Enti hwe oko schools ni bia I can say this on authority. Basic schools no say ye ko na class teacher e ba akope. Say so ma bro so class teachers 22 asana a service for that ba 22 and the class we are 3. You have service teacher, you have 2 professional teachers. Oh 22. Because oma bu urban areas na ana kwan bia ni baabia di bi kwose baabia ni ho o de opa busa ehwan busa schools e wo wa buso om se ekwan na ho kwa ma teachers na buso ho ti se bia mo ma na obi kunu age transfer no ne ko ana obi o person changing the environment no afiri ho ese hwa ye pampe And we are still producing teachers ebe backlog ho. Sadie we ye nya amanyosem a ye fa teacher training ni nursing training enkwada ne betena fie saa. Abra se ye kire eniema se say ekoso wo wiase ye adapt proper methodology ye de betete nkura na any syllabus ne courses papa relevant course bi okra ko ye wi a ohun de odbentu nipa bi wo ba bia say ye kokos ko ye ka chose de hanse wanya degree unipa bi wo ba bia no abo ni apia wa ko hye ba bi enti obi ono bank so oni mo hwe ya okwa ni you learn on the job na enti mo atuma teller kakra na o obi won so a ya na ko show office bi he has to learn on the job but do ko so yan ankasa ho but adwuma ni ho ti are training a lot of people emphaso bia maso. I remember say universities apart from the private ones ni our government are supporting a way through get fund and other means, and that's taxpayers money. So we are training people on be school about betinefia and for so be so. By the time cry teacher didn't betinefia obi tinefia 5 years me impostino. Time when you say impostino arrested. No arrested. When obi a ni 6 year you postino a wutu. Ogo catch them say na kwanta we dey we so ya nyina review. I'm saying yes, okofa a syllabus now go through that kakai because automatically once you that the beba. And your kwa the first year or best struggle and son when you read them no. So it should be of a national concern. Now you discuss it without being emotional, without being partisan. Because sometimes we want to score a cheap political point in tea. Yet we be abaya man yourself. Knowing very well say, Sadia na ye nebe kanka ankasamay. Why not we establishing companies, manufacturing companies with these same allowances that we are giving to these students over time and years? Are they na yen koya omu emfanye for the better good. By a dear nyoma ne ya, o mewe school no my stranded no mtifie no mu bre. And people think they are useless, but they are not. It's not a crime to go and learn and come and wait say ye be postil na still yen postil. Utifie obi kra timika akoya mo we school wan pass into no tifie. A whole lot of stigmatization teachers and nurses for impose. Nurses for Christ and tell ya. Onya private hospital be akotwa logum kakra. Teacher for so I don't cry saying because private schools for no cry na why ye ma so mu pay pebre pay nye ti na otifie ko calculate sikia de be ma no on fa ka nkom radio obedi boso mbeso no sa adeka ti obetena fie. And people think say one pass people think say we na ade na nko ade dada de yem positive na nkofo take advantage je omusika 20,000 10,000 5,000 semebo amya postu ni di omusika kwa ade na holistically asoman yentena se na yenhwe ye teacher training yenhwe ye teacher training ni nursing training hour ye be yama na ye yie. Now number say even the quota system should come, it should be there. Now you know how to regulate things and say amount for beko school we no ma betene fie na yentimi postuum because we know say the number of people and the number of teachers at the system need, the number of nurses at the system need based on our facilities, you know. Half of the number of production per year yediaba. Where's this 8,000? And they be account. So 7 years, you have about 140,000 to fee. It's not a joke. It's not a joke, and it's of national security concern. Sure. Sadie way I and bleeding a lot of is breeding a lot of criminals into the system. Na kaposini wetima rise to inspector. Inspector, I can suppose ni rise to inspector. And go see ben. But how there before that Kwame with you Kwame marching.
Obeni meje oso.
Na ompom ti say.
Oba Ade Adaroma me ho ye wa mama adechie ne ya han ne da foforo. Ti eda na se akade nipa be ya bo nipa. Pacho na nso
Oba Ade adum and obega say ye da baby ba ko.
Ye mi hu mpo.
De nyame timi ya.
Ye mi hu.
Asem.
So we are fine.
Yakopon adum yo yakopon adum ho ye pa.
Da Oba Ade na se.
Ifi boko de.
Nyame adum.
Good. MP for so go so o ma baton kakra unrere mo a. Money nam chansen no so sa.
Ne.
Nam so sa. Ba bi ara pa yemra teacher for de nim kakra. Na fe yemra de akeka no so.
Obeni mame na wase anopai na fe yamfa aseda kese ma ya tifo ni ya hwefo a omo join ye frequency no 93.1 omo mu tie no ye da omo ase anopai sanso na wokọ Facebook nso a womo nso a omo ehwe ye wo ho sanso na YouTube nso omo hwe ye wo ho no ye da omo ase anopai pa ya ni so womo bre ne se womo gi atum se ye di atenase a in fact yabema ye ne omunyine suade no mo hunu nsem a ekoso wo oh my Ghana ehonum bobeni wako rezi aye topic kese pa aye very very sensitive a ehia se Ghana fo nka yawra me yimu a eneye the 13th I think 13th of May kopim senka May yibekwa wiye no Awasenka ye expert more ye expert when it comes to finances, more ye expert when it comes to the economy, more ye expert when it comes to education, more ye expert when it comes to nation building and planning. No? They should all come around a round table and let's discuss this policy and this teacher kankatena ababe piemono. Kwame, yen muye ninko yenchini yankonko penhwene empentiase senti a yede teacher training allowance abaye but say hodom na the motivation, the zeal, the will, the love to be a teacher no na eni ho because na dodo na nim say teacher for there no kwasem ne say wo mo life no enye fe enye kama wo mo life no nye life a obi abe pese ne ba be finding itself in cause ni ni ma teacher for the omo nti na ohwe teacher ratio to student e wo Ghana ha na enye so empanyifo introduce teacher training allowances to encourage most Ghanaians, especially the youth, to find interest in teaching because no one who say ya de no your system no e kofam koda no so ba na e back classroom hold more doso but a church ye di omo be ko classrooms ahodo amoma kwachira de no eni ho obekọ no na people teaching for nkwa people teachers for nkwa na Kwame omugu ho so the government saw say I say a professional teachers you betumi identify almost say akogentete womo de ba be den abekire timemufo ne Ghana fo ade so the reason this teacher training allowance at the buy na me try to get to know the lifespan of teacher training allowance na mpeni for the ban na so we introduce the buy say womo ye ne say ebedi mfie sen and the purpose e ba be serve no say to me serve wi a won be ye free ho afe ben so that it will give me a fair understanding and knowledge of the yedi hu nkomo adopai na ya tiefo nyina nso atumi atiase because our purpose o mo de buy enti meme hu no say eduru bre bia mpanifo hu say the purpose of introducing teacher training allowance no has outlived its purpose no ti no mo yes say they will withdraw na fi o mo yi allowance na e dia free after all na ye pese produce teacher for dodo no mutumi ko classrooms ahodo no mutumi ko kyerade na Ghana for ma ne Ghana dache no so etumi gina ne nan so eti se o mahunu se de dodo na aye pena aba ama na bro so ma binum kura tifie enti afei yenyi allowance ne mfi ho a Kwame tumi na enye anything na ebeka say what's your hold on near use politics to tackle that. Someone will start a conversation by saying, say, now, woman so more our phone so woman is coming on Mabeko teacher training, na teacher training in and Kodai being so a gina so they show Mohon as a phone, so woman so day. It's a laudable argument on its own, and also it will call for another day for a lengthy debate on that. I bet me a George or near the home come nothing yantias ever. But for now, the purpose of that allowance, no, me bacho accept where we. Anunti ne cancellation was the right thing to do. Sebe ya, it's burden on the national coffers, no, a bit me a year free so. Na sika ye spendi ewo teacher training allowance so no aban eyifiri wa watumi anya baby foforo no de nani a kire no akwa spend that said amount no so ewo baby foforo. But because of politics, and just like you earlier on indicated, because of politics and because we want to just like get vote from Ghana Fontino say adenonia na mono ye tu ne benya nsunsuanso pa ewo minus wa ye mfa ho. But ye found on the same, ye benya political gains be, ye benya political opportunity be, ye benya political votes be, and ye free ya namuntu na ye to no ehun. And so politicians do not give a damn about anything. Do honor the free say a agenda or set ya a beboano na in the coming election no what to me anya ne vote or peno and no ni hiano no more grim no more the politics are near seno. And then we have features more ba a wabontin so still womunya postings. The same way your work classrooms are hold on so penny. It's cities why rural areas and so womunya chere for a momu mechra. Now the question is why should we have this abundance of teachers or omugumbontins so munchra de? Now so still your classrooms and so a lack a teacher for mbekoko manage these classrooms no match there. I didn't hear because of politics. Because there's a certain allowance we have to pay at the end of the month, and so you ensure that Nisi Council you employ a teacher for floor to pay them at the end of the month. And the abesha ye kon abekon ye kon and a politics inti ye hunu de beye politics inti ama ya adwene oda ye tirimu asa politics inti ade a eye ye hunu ne aka se eye ade ye b ye hunu se ye b ne aka se ye b. And so we've blinded ourselves by politics. So we are unable to do the right thing at a certain point here. Say yeah and our politics say no our politics you know. And Kwame, this teacher training allowance may on any day, as much as say you work Ghana for, they depend on it to pay their school fees, you know. On any day, I will say the cancellation is laudable because we need this set amount. And so say, you did copy more baby because he say you produce a teacher for now. Mumu go abonting. One more dorsum. A big court demonstrations. I hold say a buying employer mo, a buying employer juma and mom. And this say one more do no mugu abonting. Kwame, why should we continue to produce lot of teachers on Babe Tenasia? Womunya jumanye. And just like Shasi say, oh, yes, sure, say teacher needed a certificate, but as a banker and as an accountant. So a bad no could a teacher certificate now. It's of no purpose, of no use. When the said classroom now, what there was so cocoa there, and what there wasn't a Sompa so a bano, see, I'm fananquan, it's of no use getting or holding that certificate. And it is the reason, say, a teacher for say Bianca, kwanya biom be faso the incentives, the motivation, na sefo anka ye de be momu na show mu nkra no ma kira de yie no eni honti no e bi kura nso wie kura nso a se obekwa ko rural classroom kra no onko owo protocol no pa nso still onko because on he de ye de ne mfefo akyerɛkyerɛfo di femu a Kwame enya na kono so obekɔ etese enye na kono kra se obefine ne self kra was ayi sector no akwa kyerɛ de
Kwame da se maame nkomra anopa ye ne cancer heba for bedin komo in fact nyuma cancer for ye no ano edin na adwo atena se na anopa nepa anoba adwo abroni ede breyen adwo papa bi Mari adwo anopa ma che na upom to say the skin is skinning. You are looking very good.
That's it.
Adwuma mboko. Good. Da anopa eden na mo wo mayen. Boy komo.
Me that's it. The kan ye chia hwefo ene etiefo enyina na ye bisa obi a se apom etisen enim se ade akye de awurade adom se ne etie bia no ho eye se ne ame ho eye no na nyankopon ye adom na da bia ye ka se sa ade akye nse ya na aka de awudie akoni peduanum ne de awonom akoni peduanum kwan abefa so atutu na ye si ye ba bia obewura ne nyina eho hia papa enti ade akye se na ye nyakoko bi nom na eda ye nyadudobi anatete ndroi bi na ye de agu ye ni peduam na aboa yen ama ye ninkyere no ana ye immune system no akɔnanim yie se de da bia ye sɔre anopa ahode no betimi anapomde no begina ne naso yie na etimi ede ye anante me sɔre anopa ne bia me nan me sisi mi kotodwe ni ade a nka be ye den pa se meti even a steps yi kra ka metimi afra bedra nanso nyankopon adom o ma me nkwama ma ahode nya akokɔ bi di anopa me sɔre e ma bɔ cancer make sure binti na me adom fifre so efri mi kama bibia de da nakwam nti anopa bia na wo so wutie me na yade nti ye ka ne se omunyai eduro ne de yanom abre ane eba ne se ya na kasa na ye bebree na so mpanimfo kasa bi se akyea na so emui ewusisi no akyea Nezo so emunto yade no abama woni padua no se de na nka wo pe no enura na nka wo expect se obekọ baabia na wo kato wo se echina wukuo me sori na papa amekọ baabi na se wo da so ehyedem kama to yem Trust Jehovah Herbal Center na nyankopon nam yen so de cancer mixture eduro na etise nsuo sa na obi eka nkofo no moduro etise nsuo na so ayi adwuma no ye nam homeopathy kwan so na ayi aduro dia ba edwa so a obia enum bie ema ahoto etimi eba etibia na ne de edikan kra utie yen ewo Lawson da bia sompa ha ye ba ha nyame adom enra ye baaye anopai wapomudi nti ya san atoa wo sompa because yenim se wo wani gi se utie program sompa program ni nyina etia so ye adwene se ba bia obefa bia ebedi wachi ama ahoto etimi aba because ye hu so yare na wo de foka akra ne ha ye anopai bia na wusisi wojo ho anje anopa bi ba obi hia me wani mo enu na me hwe wo mama ho wo sompa na me se an wo se medi hie bi wo bubu agudam na wo twe me ensape enam so wo fa ene ka wakoma to yem na wo mo a edri busumi nsia ne afe kora asori anante na wo a wo de na wo twe me ensa de ene eketo abi na wonim se me obi da me kem na suna ebi nem na nso mama ne number ogide akokeo ana Dr. Mensa na edum akọ promise ba Colenac Fred Mens na wo mo mutu edro bia akọpa edro bia to ama ahoto aba me do fo wutie me yade ya na yade bia nchesisi yade e na osa yedrei ahoɔden pa egina yade a yato ne din osa yafunu mukro senka wa abontia obetimi apɛ ointment bi wotie haban bi unya nkuto bi ana ade afaso kwabrani so mu no atwitwiw kama ade bɛkye na osa de ba bi edai medo ehemfa na wokofa ointment ana nkuto bi ede akwakɔ twitwi eno ti na doctor every India mema ba ne man mu se da bi wasua de no atena honom de abo mo 58 years se de e wo so oba Ghana no obekɔ pension na enso kra onko pension kra ye wo ye ma ne nko pension da abred papa say wo de aba edwaso ebia na wutie me wo ye funu anopai wo so ye koko anati kura wo benom na adane ayam hwehwe eno ntia ma enu a wo kɔ kete so kra wantimi ana me doka wakoma to yem na kɔpɛ cancer mixture obi wo se wo fa misradura enwono nanso penefo se adura no na se yade o nempo yenye cancer di enyanwono because it say nsuo et sense pepe no bi anim e na de bi anim enti ye de cap bi ahye so wo so wi anopa no wa famienu awia wa famienu enumere wa famienu wankasa be hunse e na wo beda eni adidi a wo bedidi ahode sunku bi a wo ba benya no wunya nya bi da meso kumase ha de ye wo atonsu market no wo de bani a trade nya ase kwantempo no so nsa benkum so wo tira market na bro san to so mienu e ho na be trust over herbal center anasa cancelled ye de aduro na gu ho bebre na so e kwan na wan nti e bia meka se wutie oboase wutie okono woni ade a nya afi na wo beka sa wo be kumase e sese ba bia wo bia wo kọ na wo anya bia wo de efreyem doctor me wa hanom say deliveries say baby ka akọ eti no ase de number no ma driver no na wo so wage driver no number obedru a wage wadru kama ama ho to aba eti anopa se wutie me ebre no nti no osa na hawa no cancelled mixture doctor number no 0596 8327 96 0596
0596
33 83 27 96 0596 83 27 96 doctor number obetimi afre no ene na chew hawa wonamu eno no se dem di kan no all sabetimi ama untimi enna sanse okokete so wonam nyina ye uya wachi kase na etwon obi se media nya also na media ne ye asthma eno so help eno dwawe na akotena kam no obi agya obi anya bibi kakra bi egu no ho na ze wode kwa be adwuma wo na wo buafu enye se tika na wunya ntobio na mpampan na ebe fa so amna kwa koyi hawa ba no eno na ye problem mesa wani de ni ahobrasim anopa de me ka che wonyina ne se wonuanom ana wafo anom bi ama ne wonya ahoto kra won ho adwo won enti asma se wo mfie dumienu konkon ade ana bi kra na wonya nya 12 years wo de abamode na number na me tu dwanom eno doctor nkasa na ka chense me ba no wo mfie sei nanso asma etete ne pa meye ne den ana mema ne dodo sen na meye ne sen na watimi anya aduro ne bi anom na ahoto etimi aba ne doctor nkasa wo number no me de tu dwane so afi mema no a enam yade etete gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis chlamydia eba ye ne de se nidie bremu ho no wan hwa pe ho asam anka ensam bitimi begu be ma ho oba ho na se mu na ye kuro na ekọ syphilis kwa de no ankasa ba healing itself no ankasa wo ho no ma na ekọ wo de aduro ye wan fa aduro anyo wonti ya obia enti ekọ didim a wo say wo di nya 40 years wo di nya 50 years no akofa prostate e de abrawo ama na dwunsom hawo abetna wo so wo dwonso kura wo hu Johnson ne ba na obemam ya uya ka facha me anase ne mo apai mienu wasa atade ekọ adwuma na so bewie na ompaboa mu nyina afọ cancelled papa no wanyini 58 years na so ose so waka kire wo say cancelled make sure betimi ama prostate e free ho ama sabe wa ho ode kura prostate ne de ba ye na kofom no ubeta gina wo na so bi magidi na no madure enam yade enso nti e man bebre o menstrual crimes menstrual problems menstrual disorder delayment ne de keka ka ho ne nyina no menstrual problems ni nyina oba nom cancelled mixture na ebetimi aboa pa ama hoto etimi aba oba wuntimi mu nsa na ovulation kwan ba so na befa wani abre ho a wo pebe sa no pa wutie me na wo hwe obu nsa ne ade se next week na fofra sa aba next 2 weeks e bia na ebra wo ovulate no e na sa ekwan no e fa so aba nom cancelled mixture na entimi emwa mo rashes egugu mo wudi ani basa obi wo ho no mansa bi ama ni padua no wo hwe ani enhwe wonum cancelled mixture no ubenya color foforo eti sa abofra color kra a enye makers ne ade obi wo no opia na nim se ne asia ye ne sister enye wa na enso afa powder kakra mfa wanim a enso nka market na woko enye powder asem na enso nim se woko hia wodofo bi nom cancelled mixture sa wrinkles na aba wanim na enso obe ne sunburns ne ade no ne nyina ebekọ ama ho ato edru we wo se yade bia ne wonum a entimi nsa wokọ kata so anopdo a awio anopo wuntimi enna adwendwen na doso obi ho no ode ade to hwani ani wura fi baby ode to ye e ba sa obeye den cancer mixture no ya to apetin wudru promise eba edum benebi blessed require Dr. Mensa ubenebi Rockefeller Dr. Mensa ubenebi Misty Wokeo ana danimo ewo astan fond kolena kene wo mo aka nyina ewo ho wunya du santas pe wo so pe mafos heba baby etu eduro e ka se aboba ye be bi afrim amna kwaye asem etini nyina ne se oben atonso a fo ni kire atonso market no wo de wani atrage nya ase kwan ano ho no mo a wotra market no a abose to so mienu e na obehu cancelled ana trust over herbal center eduro na etise nsuo nanso esa yade e ma enkromu nyina ekọ e ma sebe enkan ya wo nipa wanum nyina ekọ e ma honampa etoso e ma nka bi afri nipadua ho no enam yade etimi de nka bi ba nipa ho a wanhwe ya wo nyini nanso ye ka ne se ya ebi ma wo ho ana wonya hu bi e na wo mo e wo mo ho nso enim se saa wo ha we e na ama saa wo ha no aba eti sure ne ade na dɔwso me so no maduro na wo kwa watimi akɔ simple wako easy na ye hage wa yetimi hage baabia na yetimi akisi baabia ama enigi aba cancer mixture me se etise ensuo na nso ayi adwuma etise de nyankopɔn nam ensuo so ayi adwuma den nipadua wa anum sua hontimi nante saa no wanom cancer mixture emwa emani padua na hoden ma etimi support immune system no eti entna wan kase me twɛn ayare ansa na manomodro me the number no e tudwa na me jem asori number no e 0596 83 27 96 0596 83 27 96 patrol me da si bebre
yes that's it our pal Dr. Akasa no be kasa enti bomode a osa ya de boni na wan hwe ya adi abeye wodo wa bo say yes na say nyame adom doctor de draba na dro no the way say ya adwuma no arapel fra echemu bia doctor edebe maw 0596832796 fra arapel na echechem say what your osa how cancer mixture baby bi wo okwa obenya bi soso ato na wabubo bi kama kuma se ato su market jinya asi road so na enkran be kala pass ya ne Abrante sport ne die nim hwe ode friend numbers no okay she drag lanes here ho fra numbers na baby wo bia ya be joso nye no edi nkomo maka ema osa ene yade bia osa titi nipa
osa titi nipa papa mabunu ne mabawa ne mrantie na osa titi wo mo
osa de wi a no because osa dro ni osa dro
osa de wadu
no cancel ne
e ha adwene pa
osa dro ba alright arabai atira sena one thing so after teachers day ya na ye kan arabai ye be hwe na ya cancel ye yeah akwa bi nwuma oboye papa bi nwuma oboye say ewiase bi nsi kwa da bia ya na e kase adwumakuo bia obenya nkateboni wo it's not only the police service na me military man bia omo akase omo post ono ye krofo oru se sojani obeba na bibia ira nya obi ha sojani na akase baras omo nyoma ira obi ne ba ho befa soja for there bi so ya krofo. And the service with integrity. That Kwame, the incident is said that Jacob Podcast obey you so character.
Ane.
Was so be she say.
Bibi kitwabi. Na toto.
So I done the phone.
Yes.
Now when you say the other person allegation about the other person on the yen or say posting.
Wow, she.
At the post for there, sir, ya nama ye bre ya ye hu amane mobile money for ni akokun obi ya post for
ebinum nim ho pa
ana eye nyesom ni mo mun sa hyem se ku a no mdi se hunu sa egwa be asa ya be rob ofre post ni the next person obe bo no nim do abefa
ane
sa o ni abetro enti omu ye dey describe ni adrodro enko
enkosi aga
omu nim kofo kura me say Ghana police service yeso banka so mu nchew Ombechew.
So omukase omechew.
100 years kra no kase ombe bring you down. They will bring you down.
Awurade.
But bebre na ye post for mu hye uniform mu ya kromfo. Ti me pa na dwo pa se enye barrier. Meta hu no na all of sudden kwan ya me nam se na all of sudden me hu barrier. Wa hwe ameya mu nyina. Because sometimes you cannot predict. Sometimes you cannot predict. So Kwame, all of a sudden, kwa wa faswa na ho nye bebie bie hu bebra na all of a sudden barrier besio. Amiswa wieu. Enwumre all of a sudden na besio. Enye se bia police for no cooperations. Ana omu ne nam say cooperations ehun. Even SWAT for no bakwan so ehun. Operations for no so ba ehun like ehun the aura. Ehun the home si jina. Na me draw na be a suspect say go for with the year. There's no way I'm imagine. Because enipa bia ye nipa body for akwa service ni mu a enyambra sem no the uniform ni die.
Oh yes.
Na wa hwe ya o te kem na post ni bi etimi di wi anako ke kura beto kem ma me achi wo. It is supposed ni kase osechewa. Si form na lock car no o si buta no abie butu no. O hwe wo gina ho na wo hwe.
Na me kura
be kura fa camera to no so.
I thought that me nyakura nka maybe me ka se mu bisa search warrant.
That's when you ma back when so you ma bom you
operation. Once
you're on the road you get ma search warrant.
Because the entire make us and say senka ebi kura no guta sa search warrant na nka beboa. Ebi oba be search no wa plot wo pe wo de wo adi bone ay agenda. Bibi se no ho dada.
Masa o si na odu ko boot unsu ko hobi entra kan se ma bia o de hwehwem. Na o tim se wa bia boot no.
O de bibi betumo aka che o se be hesa de wi. Di nachi de opa hwe bia on ne hwe.
On ne hwe mom. O si bie ekira lock boot ne be bia ekire.
Ane.
Ne gina ho.
Ane.
Wonye na menie.
Ubie ha mi gina ho na wo hwe. Se wo sechi. Ye gina ye sechi.
Na me utian ye na me batem ne bom ya na me special ya na abeti. O de ya de obe na wi abeti ho ase.
Ane. Obeto opi.
Eh pada wo obeto odwe wo.
Ade. Antidelozo.
Because na say de enyo.
Enye, kwa me enye.
But I am destined Yakupo you so krata. And IGP should be very careful. He should be very careful. So I say when it's all the agro. Na me na can be akere no. He should be very careful. Because that time IGP dan pare call yen. E say bi mu boy no. Within the police admin say adwuma biam Kwame obi a na bepe wa ase. O ya manager ni change obi mu ani beje ebi mu robe ho. You get it? Ebi mu ani beje ebi mu robe ho. And you change IGP in the way na be jubilating me dwen wana menti ase. To the extent say ye de na aba. Hey. IGP should be very careful. One man any now.
Very.
Because they say post for mu di ano wo ka mu. Post for mu di ano e wo ka mu 200 days. Post for mu garam say site omu di ano and ye bebre. Ya wahana post ni allegedly ekokun obi me pese me ka ebusuafo yaw football nti up to now. Pese me ka go bi yaw. Because the last day of the person, meaning na akodi baby anam didi ni hwa no buy. Apotoyo a metwi moko ba me. Oba o se di aka no mu fama no mtiri die mu. Sata na me wo ayi nso atere ho. I know what I'm talking about.
Asebo.
What? And yeah. Cha. Se wuna bi mu die no. Pasa. Ebi mu nya tuo na say oye post ni a all the right say obetimi ekra gun no na obi a waye ne registration bi se hu na bi mu didi no eye me ya say ye wo post fu a ebi ye so good
ebi very very good
nyame suro wo mu nkemo forma ba
very
ebu a traditionalist for mu suro bone ye dan so kakra bi no na me se maka the post di panyin ka chem say se me kwa undercover me make sure se me tuam to nam omuam colleagues ne bi nye
yes
abaka cho se me kwa undercover man ni tija ma police ni ba ko nipa ba ko jo so ko mu nhye me no mo de me pa
ko show so anko o metwa asamato so
yes o mo pay case bia anye
sa no be no
because they no person de tom so emfa a hospital ko no person yes ade ne you know obia was afraid say me de
ontimi post for no be timodi yo wo di bone no mo hu so omoto betwi no omoto betwi no no mo de kro no ato so no mo de ayibi atoawo ya wo dan wo hu kra wo gine ho a wo nti ase ne de aba be hye wo
mama kan cho say
very serious
even among them no say bia me no mienu
yes
na wo be ya de eye nya wo say
wo na wo be ya yi
ye betwa atoro ato so
ne ya be pe bone bia be hye
ya branka ba de ya hye amana fitew
service with integrity.
Oh. Adwuma bia the boy phone but dey say there eya doso.
Say abru Kwame atrapo.
Eya doso.
Atrapo.
Hwe me say from last month. Last 2 months police for. Kwa.
Because sa Ibrahim Mahama case here by guy bi no omo no bass mo no. The case no buy na who say police for. So we yell less mistake asema on be to so no de wunnim kura no Kwame to o mo de beto so pa ne de o me ka gu so no se nyame ama magye wo sa da no na se Ibrahim na nkasa anye ono a na ye ne hu nipa titu bia wagina yi a ka ye be ku no simple ni asa twa asema to ne so
why you say service with integrity no munya
no asem no ko da din sa no
kom na di o mu
asem no ko da din sa no me nwanwa
abeda
ho na mama
ni kom di o mu ana ne godfather bi ni senior bi apushi na be show
yes
kom
yes we betu sa godfather for ya asimasi your person titi me person pass mami o no suma ne boys ya be ye biribi o ye ya munim so mo ya asem no nkosi aga
na allegedly bebre nye police for ya sumo obi so ko bi bebre etu lo bi ene na monte ko operation ba na bego efiri
nipa no bi wo Kwame yes yetumi de asem ne bone to omo so pa ba Kwame utumi say nipa no ni track record of asem na ye de ato no so ba ko sei so ne ye de ato no so
ye de police fo bi timi ko gina barrier Kwame omu be wo kwa incident bi omu free within few minutes
na asemasi
na nkofo aba kwan no so aba attack ebi ndi ekotu brekum chesi play
eye den
omu chese
ye dan ye ho kitu bia
masa enya me ekoso no who watches the watchman
eno ne asem no
be bibu abro mu bojani S7 with integrity but the am yan se kakra ne omu no omu be so ba fish omu out
yes. That is because Kwame they are so connected and linked.
As the adwuma ye case abana so be kan kure o.
Ani.
O betena ne purple trademark can say.
No asori atia o. No can say mu. Fabricated story. O makoji. Makoji. The omu ye o makoji.
You see sometimes nipa so near buy no. I don't know what is wrong with that.
I know.
Service with integrity.
I know.
Media enye too reliant on a yo. Police service o mawani na
Kwame nti etoda wudi
so e post ni obeseche me o post
Kwame etoda no ma fe me ye nanom won nya yes picking crown wodi age nipa no ntam so na muaye na ba Kwame because nanom dey with speed o no ma respond you with speed no ma respond
wo wona ka ni bre
nti nya ya breaking cry na ati omo nti Kwame won say ama service no mu obeti bi no mu yade ne kwan omo faso efiri mu no Kwame enya fine obeyi obi bibi obehu se nipa no bekwa ko boni dua ono ankasa onim but na nam boni a wadi nipa nti no wakobbo dua ya bi a wodane ayinane uko hu nipa no kra wo he no akopa achew eti se ye obi boni a yenhwe yi o
we have to be very careful
o kira sem wo ho ensunjanso nye nipa nyina nso na etumi de boni chi Kwame obi wo ye ne hanom a wo ye o hwew wo ye din a wo fi nani hwew no o pe kwan a de obekwa akofa so wa bra wo firi hodom na nti ya mum ye nhwe yie de Kwame one ne betwe so wo hodom na de ono de ne de ye jitum so ya onyame kura o mo wanwu fort but de obeye din atire no kwan o do faso no mommy nhwe bibi ye pa
we have to be careful
very very careful
because
very very careful
asa
Mayam fa niema fo sao.
Nipa ni bi say din no.
Nipa bi say din no. Nipa bi say adwuma no. Nipa bi say adwuma
no. Because hwe ebi o mu nimpa sa akwa we die. Me nyina ya ba service mkwame. Onya adwuma bi anka ho.
Enso wo utwika.
Onya adwuma bi anka ho. You are living extravagant life. You are living like the Prince
Arabian
of Wales. You are living like Arabian king.
Yes.
Wow, nim say okoligi. Bosume so a. Munyina mo ya last one. Munyina mam say 2000 something atitim wi ad take home ni say. Onye adwuma bi anka ho. Na so a side job bi o
yes.
Online business bi o ye. Ana nipa ne nyese bia na busuafo kwa wo bia bia mu na busuafo sen kwa ne be mane wo e wo bia ye mane no
ana menye so kra se bia wo sugar mummy bi kra bitimi ma sika no
ana wo hwe expenses nipa no eye kasha oblo enka bibi nkyerem enka bibi nkyerem
it doesn't call for investigations
enka bibi nkyerem
enti entwem adwensi bibi aso Kwame ano de
na ba ya mfa nyam nyina
ano de
enka bibi nkyerem
ano de
serious
na Kwame ni nyina twa besi se isa ayi forms no so aye tonton ni passe me ba be sevu ya ton nti oba ono so beti se ni tirimu ode a obeti ne ka
eno de forms no me agency se ma ye nton forms but forms boy say
obeti
forms boy ene ka bribe no mkotua de forms boy say
Kwame eno so sa ba bisi
sa party
food soldiers ebi utumi say wo mo ya hardened criminals but enam say on a guide way on a bo way hu banti ya ba ya na appear na hye baby ono so wo cruise a oni omo no omo ye ne underground works bi du be so a be se ha so still oda so ye
I am very worried,
very worrying pa
Why yes I ropai ba me na me homra me ba ma me nwura dwom kakra me ba ye behwe asante achim no member of parliament yes no ode ba ye be din komo
na onim se UK ni
ye be din ko wa Roman father na drone no Father Martins aba center Father Martins aba Mr. ano di Roman father na drone aba ano pay se hu yo tititi stroke ana chewo ohonam eyo ya ohututu o ase why a week o kwa adwuma cross menya na nke na Friday na Saturday no kwa adwuma nti wadam pamu a why mere sa nipa no ohia Roman father na dro no aropa stroke ana chewo ana ase pressure diabetes Roman father na dro no beboa chronic disease yade aye hwanko pa to so acha why ho a we dia yesa ndaso asa edro we nyamensa wo mu ti anope bomode anepa Father Martin said drone bi the best medicine for all your sickness 0247 919 122 0247 919 122 0552 668517 0552 668517 a Roman father ne drone aropai ba me kanfo RSYD Novigi Studios ma studio aba ebo ama movie o mo amoye movie mo amoye skit me ahodo no pe studio camera bi mo pe creative director mo pe mo cameras kama mo betwa kama me so anopai bomodin a na ekopie mo RSYD Novigi Studios ye won kran Malama Biase First Kokoko Street hwa na behu yen me so enkran de na so ba bia be free bia so we streaming so podcasting unya free e beba be lande on ye dijuma e di amount for 0574715778 0574715778 and 030397482 030397482 and 0574715778 Aropai Maminka for Kingdom Eba Center Maum. Kingdom Eba Center cover by Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters. Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Tremendous Capsules, not DTNA. Kingdom Garlic Capsules, no, yen ye dikaya over 15 years. I garlic, I bitters and capsules. na adansi efrimba over 15 years still nyame adom adansi die efrimba no edin efise wo pese nkwamwa ne edin immune system ne stronger onya kingdom garlic capsules any the bitters so wo pese wo release stress nipa wo kwa pressure where so adwendwen stress by so wo pese wo release stress kingdom garlic capsules na me come for the amount anopai anxiety arthritis numbness hypertension and a war so stroke and a how wakuma obo peli cholesterol and a how sadie di du mojam yes adie pani for tumrika kra no abre check se cholesterol mu a onya kingdom garlic capsules and bitters na afei so kingdom ginseng power capsules memedru eboa memma ne pa yadwen ho mu ho ntine koye ginseng na ewo mu no di dwuma so nkoma boja ntimi di afurusane ti ba ma waye mmere wo mpam okwa enko oba emba sisi na ye oya sisi nti upon na akofie kura na how because one hwe ya adwuma na ebe ba ma no ubegu ho ani mase mesro sisi yade de onya kingdom ginseng power capsules mental stress ne how I feel per se onya physical energy ahoden ankasa ayede koye adwuma wala tu wala sa office adwuma ne de kan physical energy onya kingdom ginseng power capsules afei nkwamwa na eba ni so usimens ne beba yi ma extra power and so tremendous capsules ye mama tremendous capsules say natural health formulated ya shada formulating say bebo oba wa himfi ho keka wo himfi odo chese center wo nyasem kito amfanche me no pay but edika because ama wa ya dile ama o nyoma bia wo senke de ma wa dile because ya bade nya na ekọ emwa etetew ontiase and view the also ma ho ye kama na tenancy or tenancy tremendous capsules ana make come for the amount infections ahudo nyina e ye free oba o mensi sensisi so unya sa problem ni nyina disorders ahudo nyina a tremendous capsules ana boa ba kingdom herbal center okay drug lane pharmacy shop any drug store bia herbal shop bia benya biato 0597298855 0597298855 0559 761 144 0559 761 144 and pay kingdom no pano and make come for more kingdom ana no challenger and I pay OCP fertilizer OCP Africa OCP Ghana Limited seven countries season edru to so dear vegetables ana wudua and ye ni se o ha ho kra wo so onya fertilizer be boss asena strong obewi atoso de ni nso nyine girema ma ne nye kales bibia dimu kama OCP fertilizer eno anu bi agye atom eno ana ye de ye yemfu na mo amudu atoso de nya doa ntos jenne muko ne de keka ho no mo hia OCP fertilizer friend MPK and I say OCP fertilizer your friend 15 sa eso na mo amudu legumes mo hia OCP TSP na mo amodua cereals no ene ebro ne de keka ho no munya 15 okona enu bi ne oni ama 10 MPK OCP product nkwa dia 10 eno so ye ma cereals ene vegetables no anopa bomodia ne ko agrochemical shop bia ne ko je odie enso ewo ho na increase wato so die no ema wa fiwe na nso nya bibi enhye 21st clinic a clinic ankasa 21st clinic a clinic on its own ya ka say clinic say ya ahudo ne ehwe ya de bia wo de ba 21st clinic there was special doctors and nurses and paramedics so more hwe ama hwato nembom di amanfo na de frɛ the expert in sciatica so ene koye hwehwemu ye research pay hunru by say ade bi wo no metwefo tisi ase abeka 19 wan hwe abeka say nya yade yo tena ho yade kese na eba na signal symptoms e cho say yade kese eba ti so ano entu ba sciatica ndi etu ase kodukodukodu eye nkakra ye mo ho aduro physiotherapist for hwe emfidie ho yade ugina bi so yade ubi tusu tese ekwan bia so e wo se ye ma ho to nyame adom ye wo ho doctors apapa ho mu firi nu ma nuro ye wo lab wo ho a wo hwe mu jam ye wo opto ye wo ye kan sen ye wo scanning machines wo a okwa nyase ye ma oduro bi wo kra no afa nyinsen okọ ya ne amene dro da bi ye de nya botre doctor no kase bi kotwa scan ye behwe na akra dem yesterday be do we be am do we nyama when na chere say oh yeah adwuma 21st clinic the sciatica expert and pay over 15 branches Ghana over 15 branches na no kwasem pai wo me say ofra baby be on ne ache on akonti ye call center no 24/7 hey omuna manager da no pay good morning baby a wo pay bi e be che ho de do akọ anopay kumase fo nko ahwa overseas junction yene afa radio ne ben so Sompa TV Sompa FM wo show ano 21st for war from oboase monko cancel quarters court junction ho na be 21st clinic Accra monko Tantra Hill sanso na sunyani regional hospital na sunyani teaching hospital first gate yene ne die nhwe mados abro sai ni mo be hu ye ho nkransa momre ye bo opoti tachman GN Bank dan dada ni mu eho ana 21st was 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Aropay a year 21st clinic the sciatica expert ana make come for the amount share bema die o mema sembe si ya tago heba mixture in the capsules onua dwuma edie ne se wani se okache wenye se miama tasty bi tago heba Mr. Wo bema na se erectile malfunction impotency se wow bema ne nya adwuma tio ne se mu aye mre nkwa nya adwuma mu aye mre o pompe nso ntimi nyina so me se wadi ana eba be yew ana se bema oba onia tenka onya tago heba Mr. in capsules infections ahodo ni nyina onya tago heba Mr. Drugstore bia pharmacy shop bia herbal shop bia bi wo 0243 228 296 0243 228 296 anopay tago herbal Mr. ana make amfo ede amount ene ukuada yedi ampotem nkomo enso ewo ho endi ampotem dia yebekwa Asante Akyem Kevin fa honorable picture the two subabe na very handsome man. I think I had not a close encounter but a distance encounter because me call as I Google na that time ala tula mamincha I was Salt FM. Now I learned he was the CEO and he used to have some your friend is say FX companies your friend say bureau forest bureau and he was doing business but Kwame omaditeni papa and komo e free ho ban say money laundry ewom komo allegations e ban they say romance coming in our womb so I don't pay we don't want to be jump gun no the informations are yenim but it's not in the public na yempese beba be jump the gun but we can only wish him the best and we pray for him say a member of parliament named call for the good people of Asante Akyem North ehian ti no moto aba massively man and we wish him very well say the etie bia no of course you get access to lawyers and all that yeah na pass bo pass na ayeba akoso a da Oliver any din komo ma anopem ye man say me can be according to Vama was chemwa Oshia no mu din komo about Kwame the pressure I want to be
a member of parliament
the titular member of parliament the amount of money there is a video circulate here which is sikaya pakia na ode manko for the constituency to help them Kwame the demand on Obia or when is wadi so person di MP Doma East MP lawyer Ebeka Show the former MP
yes Porchum
Berma Ebeka Show Said Mubarak Ebeka Show
yes
so I'm a member of parliament Ebeka Show all the MPs will tell you se opeso bedi MP hwa enkofo no mkoto abama nyomo mu demand from ho.
Yes.
Even the party now who wo no primaries.
Yes.
The amount of money Kwame unhia.
Yes.
Our the best settle constituency executives no. Any serial callers, any party communicators.
Yeah.
Any skakitwa. These same people, after taking this bribe, me I don't call it gift. A bribe. Obi abedis kebia to ababu obi a bribe. A bribery and corruption. So to a benny we near the ma make mark say a gift. But how got near the amount to influence your vote, your vote, bribe.
Yeah.
And the primaries, you know, especially seat here, it is a band man so a memonia the idea names a king. Oya we ne primaries, so MPP near Beba Parliament. Those seats, no, the music assembly no cry the West during primaries. Sika ye beji wo no. Na mo ji sika ni wie, na nipa no nya MP ni wie a. Na mo amaye mo fudu twetwe ni mo tia kutu abeka se.
Yes.
The said MP en fam hu biem. Hey. Na o constituency executive o to me say o kan say asem. Waji wadam de awie, waji de also waji awie. What do you think can you expect him so on some mebrosika? Well, sometimes we should tell the constituency executive the truth. May come back see a summer equals to NDC mu between Eric J, the CEO of NIP, and then Mustafa Bandi. Yeah, the money and go forward by Joe constituency for no executives no, and Sado Marco to about Mount. So Baba Jamadi. I don't call viral no be a
yes.
But yes, and 12 now we know what happens. When it's primaries.
Yes.
Primaries no cry a dangerous change because ultimately chio biaka so
a dangerous change mean general election no?
Of course. Sika unya so best spend your primaries so no. The same applies to MMDCs.
Confirmation.
Eto ye MMDC, oya DC, oya MC, oya metropolitan mayor. Sika ye jibi muzuba mo allegations. Ekosu ye ji Kofi Vincent mo Sadiq mo MPs ne ye kan say MMDCs no. Na nipa ko duru a wanwen wo sense ayi. Se okotena so no onhwemu. So nkofo bi hwa a grassroots ni nyamomo executives no. So nkofo bi hwa it should be the grassroots, not the executives. Me fa wo no happy a wonye. Sa subai no eye time. If you really need help from an MP, DC, MC, mayor, and you know say nipa ni competent, also mu choose nipa no without inducement. There should be commitment without inducement. Said the test comfort I can. And where you can hold the person accountable. Say, who did the ejayen? Then go the eja say. Say be the personal say ejaya kura MC sometimes kakra be it me. And no dear. But who work was shed damage? Nipa ba ko 5,000, 10,000. Waje we out to aba no aba. Grassroots fo nya hwe. Wo to wo say. Wo wa muna, wadwa because ya ma obi MC, ya ma obi DC, o ma muskani. Ya na sometimes me who the logic in the reason of a certain people. Me who logical reasoning no. Waje wo de awie mi awano shut up. Wo de anu waje de ato aba no. De aka ye grassroots fo na wo so hwe mu. And to obi osun oso it should be the grassroots, not you. Constituency executive, shut up. Uji scan kwa na to abana shut up. Momo mbedi di nya grassroots. And to the pressure I want MPs in so no. So when you financial or financial campaign and you still have the vision and ambition say Kwame ubedi MP. Ekwan biya so also offer so nyeska. na me fear and say ya hwe ya the next generation ban we will see a bunch of scammers our parliament. But yeah, young to us so now you people without integrity. You people with substance. Na you sikasem. Ebeka Ghana Parliament will be full of a bunch of scammers. And then Kofua, money laundry. I am telling you, they are big men in this country. Big money laundry no more. Big men. Check it. Boy, checking the asset. Ejumoyen, sir, spending all you won't even spend it. Big money laundry no more. I'm telling you. Say we suspect them to be money laundering making people. And then I'm in person mechanism. But we should be careful. And yet papa idea benti na maker. Cause this honorable I cannot say for a fact. Say some nama bontin sanity, but they say okoto sa asembia no atwa ho bia tu ho. I am saying say ya nhwe ni ebekoso ayesikasem ane ye de betusu ye mpanyufo ye de betusu titi mpisa ebe kakra wo parliament na FBI fo agbo awura so mba bechi obi because scammers nkwa na bego. There was a Mako school kakra and say me wo kwa looks no the aka me ayisikasem na kwa me metim diska be wuram I influence me constituency for na na ma ko bi ba ko che obi yebusa say adwuma be no ye bitie na me sra was laughing akwara sem no kare wa ye job so oboa isisi so wa hwe video bia you know nsisi so tinipa ro yaska no ko twa no abroche ba ku Dubai ba ku mionu miensa bi ba na muzo oye boga pa the idea nse wa ko pesika ba eti oba be rap politics mu and because of chronone ayi corruption ni dwirim ne adwen bone ani nyansa asabi to bi ana ka akirenti yanhwe obi a obetima boa obi onim de obi na adwen wo fie obi a onim policies obi onim how to create jobs for the youth but ni ahwe sika etini pa no pe bibia cover so o se adwuma na o so nya bibi cover so no wundi nam o ma ya point bi because o support president or support candidate bi and they supported the candidate say candidate in a win election and when the candidate wins the election or be more position and the pan position on fanya hwe because sika no one sika obetima making a month no enya bi na obenya sahab ni pay ni but opedia kata so a real deal ankasa deal and he said yes nya yesu ni eban we should shut up. The kind of leaders that we will build in the next few years, a bit dangerous, a bit bizarre, to be bizarre for all of us, because we will look for people who have money, who have liquidity, who have cash, and we vote for them. And tell them, I'm not saying this because of the man. No, for him, he has his own businesses that he's doing. And it can fund him until say the verdict will come out. Who am I? But me can say the wiase kono baby ayabatu kono baby aye niema ye ne kono in the next few years and niema ebeba omaimunie and we should watch out. Tu ohwa no biaba na cash won ho Kwame dollars timne ho cause otimi wia kakra na odi biebie nwuma
ye ho de
odi biebie nwuma na scan kakra ba mu a you can sort them out.
Oh yes.
So okonyo obi a what they will tell you and say just sort them out. They sort you out the akadi jamai. So all that you need is say they are coming to take money And the money that they are coming to take, is to influence
their decision.
Kwame,
asem we nyasem ketwa. And memfa so bo nko ba bia se me de be sha ase de afri delegate for so. Kwame woni me say delegate for na ya mo hye nkomo na ase ne say honorable. Ye di ye ne ye de obeba. Kwame so what ase ye ne ye de obeba.
Ye ne ye de obeba.
Ye ne ye de obeba. Ye ne ni mo to aba no.
Delegate ni mo bi afie. Ebi contract no.
Ye ne mo bi afie. Ye ne betumi aboa wo na ye de waba. Enti wo de hia ne say wa pe kakra we de amaye. So we want to started the conversation of give us something to do something for you. Kwame wahu, give us something to do something for you. My sika we ni emfa nko hu we, my we ni emfa nko ye we, my we ni emfa nko ye we. Adenti na general elections ade na exist na nkomo. So it means political parties na nkasa no within eternally womo na masika abedi him ewomu. Because general election sika enintintima womu sawo. And you cannot come now and say if you be a muni ne Ghana ni bia oto aba no oba be manisika. You can't do that. A delegate and a shesa uncommon ase. Na Kwame the entire make us a delegate na shesa uncommon ase ne say delegating fan so be catch no say oba be srewo 3,000 oba be srewo we one fam mano and nti wutrim odin or the same message ne be from akwa influence woman so a or mo ye ne yonko mo to aba aka catch say wo wutrim odin onye papa. And a delegates and so na amana kwakwa yese se wo baba be brebi na se wo nisika to wadwunim.
Of course.
Memma. Se wo mwa wo ho se wo nisika memma.
Da bi da.
Enti unprepared leaders. Omo ache so wo munuru ho. Wo monso daye na delegates for na kwakwa wase. O chairman bra obeweni o chairman bra imuofo o chairman bra yebedi wonim o chairman bra o chairman de hia ne se o de piska bra faska bra ye ne aye de be ko grounds aye adwuma no de ama o chairman bra o chairman ye hia sei o chairman ne fa sei bra sa no mo amakwa kwotwetwe nipa na ba unprepared onye na adwene se o be pedi brebi but delegate wo mofu ni o mo kakra o mo be dinti omu fi so omu de omu ye party ma chen obi bia wo party ne mu omu de omu fi se omu ye Ghana for chen obi bia wo man mu no womo ena kofa safo yi edeba nti womo ena aboa masika adihim adintintima ewo party elections emu. Because general elections, you don't see that. What Yabeka say in general election, costly has to do with you going to all the constituencies, going to all the polling stations and around Noakwe campaign. And Kwame, I know there it's a fact. Say what's our court now do message na ekokomao no mojitum. However, senya ebia delegate yinso na ye disappointing because we the BBA dia wi ntino ono se base ye koye campaign onkwa nke wo se ne electoral area owo no a eho oye electoral area chairman branch executive na asefo no ono na sa adwuma no ni message no e wo so wo de call about thing nti MP de na wo be ya ne say ebia ohwe massive places bi no aye rally wo honum na fe ya bodwa ne ya di nkomo nti ebia flag bearer na ne de wo be ya ne say ebia ye hwe regions no na bia ya pe dakubi ne aye rally na fe ya di nkomo ne de nkomo atudwa ye wia constituency chairman ne executives ye wia polling station ne branch executives wo mo afa sa nkomo ne ni message na ekuta candidate no mo de akofom. Nti wo kodi ebisa question na fi wa forward question no de akosoro ye call from question we no mu bisa o emuaye be ne nanka politics na ye simple na ye full but enam say delegate epe bibia di constituency chairman ne mpedifo pe bibia di nti no ye be ka kire wo say o braha o mienko ha o mienwura ha o because onim say se ye kwa no no so benya ne share adiwo nti sa na de na kwa akoye. And a party for Emma no muye executive and delegate for no a toda no mo person mo kire party money nyina say wo mu nimnyansa chen wo mo de ntia me kasa de say wo hu say ono na beto aba ayi we nti no say eno na a branch honom no womo po se ono na ebia constituency ho omo po enye ono na omo po omo de ye de waba eye stronghold nti wo meto ama womo nye any scrutiny any exercise to see say asimasi na oba no ni message odi ba na emudimu ba de hwe ne say de na manya de afiri no ho me koko time aso me kwa akote me koko time aso me kwa akote eno na dan da ya me kasa nkai bra so se Ghana fonzo yenso ye kire delegate yi se momo ko gisika na motam obi de ba Kwame na yenso nka ya toatia no jinkasa abato ni beduru so ne yete delegate no bi age TV delegate age fan delegate age sika 2000 delegate age way na wona at the end of the day no wona obe make ni pana ba be MP wona obe ma ni pana ba be president wo wanya ka pre anvamfiri mu no na ka wato tie nipa no otena bi nipa no ba be campaign obe hu se timamufo yi de nya sika no mo hwehwe o ne mo hwe nipa obetumi aye adwuma tie ananke aye ne sa ya ma delegate fo yi afa ye party fo ma no o ma fa ye se sebi ye yagimi fo ye nim yansa because wo mu nim se wo mo nya ko yi nipa ni ba se nipa no bo ne homodi o se nipa no bo number o se nipa no ya de o so onya de o wo mu nim se wo mu ko yi no de ne ma ye mpe ye pe MPP nti ye beto aba e de ama nipa no enti wo kina bi se ye di nipa na temo a enya NPP nko ne mom ye di constituency ni nyina tem because ye nyina ne ato aba ma ne se onko nyina ye namu no de animguase e bre yen na delegate yi ni party members yi de wo mu ba ku mienu bi akwaji o musika di ana o mu de sa nipa yi di aba adan a ye twa ya furuma ye beto ama nti na omo de naba ne ato ama no na omu di atem na ogu ya nimu asesa eti me ya ni de nyina de me kan se me no mienu ye waso di o said ye Kwame wo mame said ye Kwame wo papa said ye Kwame wo nua so ya de no ofuma Kwame wutumi ka kire ne se wafom no sa na nka wo se ye politicians ni ye mpanifo mo ya de a yetumi ka kire omo said ye wo sofo said ye wo elder said ye team bi a wo supporto so wo mo bobola Kwame na ebia player bi nya de manager nya de ana CEO nya de yetumi sekire yense ne ye ka kire nse we de wa bon we de onya de no sa na nka wo se yetumi nya kokuduro no na se ye chairman bi ye MPB wa bon onya de a yetumi ka kire no mani hu se ye per resource enya just representation ye per resource ye pese o ti anim ye pese o de constituency ni din ekwa akire enya party ni kekewu ne mom constituency no ne pese o de ni din ekwa akire si ye hyase na nka yetu sa na mo ne yesa dia nka delegate no ebireduru na so mo kwa akoyi sa nipa na wo mo ba dwen akwa achi no mo hu se I have what de si ye ko gisika adeno o metwa yabo si ye ko gisika adeno o mum fiyo nti ye hade o mo panipo obetumi aye adwuma just like a few bia ye nimo omo as members of parliament as politicians are omu ye well omu bo mu bra ye na politics na so bamfa so de momu e bamfa so e de momu constituency a omu wo mu no sa na wose ye ya hwe na nipa no mo number ye nyi ne mfiri wo ye nkle ne mfiri wo ma ye nhwe MPP ni NDC nsem ma ye nkase we ye minua o ye me bra sem ma ye nkase chese ye de atwa ya furu ma nti eno na edi akire hey meni wo mienu ensuo na enko yie no se adechie ye nya nsuo anom a ye bewuo ya adechie ye nya nsuo eno a ye ho bekiri yo but o de kai se ono no oya MP no obenya nsuo akwakoto side delegate no so or access to MP no be fa phone a friend no wo access wo na ka se wo MPP ni wo NDC ni no wo access to sa MP na wo so betumi afa phone a friend no no so a kire no no abere obibia na da bi however o friend no kra onimo nti wo mfa wo call no enti fatu wotrim say nipa no betumi adi wanim apreape nsu abrɛw apreape suku abrɛw apreape clinic abrɛw apreape mbumtuo de abrɛw apre agina wanim ate wo constituency na nim sɛ me firi kwabere east me MP nie na ɔno de ha wuti ni din kura na okasa o mayetumi hoahoa ye ho sɛ o represent ye o ye MP enye de ommo number ni bia delegate no yen chance yen to one mfa mo ebre no yaso so omo ye omo adwene sɛ wo mafu ene omo de kwakoye de omo taye na ye mo mu nka ba this time kura ya chance to one de mo say hey abana mokoto no sebi mokoto kwase aba bi kofa nipa bia onima adwuma no hu adwuma no so de ba ye nya ya agin say MPP for ye NDC for ye beto atia no. We must begin to start that conversation. We must begin to dare them. No mo hu say we have come to a certain point ye de ye pe ne de ye pre ne de ye hwehwe nyina ne mpumtuo ne nkanko. And can you know say MP yako finding itself in the finding?
So as you said, very important.
The executive
should know say it's not about the party, it's about the constituency.
Yes.
Very important message.
Yes.
It's not about the party, it's about the constituency. The moment I say it's not about the party alone, and your constituency, then development comes to your mind.
That is it.
But what King say is about the party. Selfishness na be real.
Oh yes.
Dia mumu bedi
and
you have that real say. Any party for no kwan omukwa ko imputuma mu. It's about the whole constituency. Projects ebeko no. It's not about MPP and this is about the constituency. The development of the constituency.
Because odinsuo ba munyira na monya.
Debi. Biabubi. But our selfish interest me party no done constituency.
Yes.
And the decision.
Yes.
How our minds are being informed on decisions are be making.
Yes.
It's based on your selfish interest. And they are very relevant. The point that we made, it's not about the party, but it's about constituency. The moment delegates and the constituency executive development will come to their mind.
That is all. Now Kwame yenjai say ye condition ya adwene say oh ye party ba had ye stronghold. Yenjai say ye be di stronghold here. Kwame ye beko so abre na ebimu edide ye beko so abre na ebimu development ekoso ye beko so abre na dani ndan nyina ye kase ena ye party ba ye onye hwe ma ye nya re party. It is because wo de eno ahye wutirimu nti na wo nya hwe fa hye wutirimu se ye MP ba ye hunu so fa hye wutirimu se ye MP ye chairman nipa na ya elect na waba no ye hunu so mem fa hye wutirimu se ye party ye free wutirimu enye wo party eye wo MP ombo number yeni free ho.
Baby, I ain't wrong go cry Kwame. To the extent say party are representing a candidate. Yamiadum ya to Abama. Amanaba. MP by mo say development in Koso.
Ama.
And he said
the bimu ye onye bi.
And he say opposition party cry the bekan once.
Dabi.
Mo ye party ma.
Delegate no. Executives no. Mo na wasama ka dokre ne kire.
Mo be friend na ka chen say honorable.
The entire do ko ye no.
The entire do ba nya na wo.
Nya na ye no.
There should be accountability.
Unhusu aka. Ni ehunu se
but you sure say be friend pia put a question because you want your kwaji ye.
Yes, I was a friend no amfa. Nti wo se wo be fra ba na fanti.
Ya ne do ba ye. Enti juma wo die yi.
Anya de pena.
Juma wo die nya de pena. So let MP know say. Empepere ho amode abadwi abesim kwan ne ho no. Empepere ho amode abadwi ho na amonye no. Sa kwan ne wa anya wo be lusu.
Yes.
Ya say adua ananse atena so wawuo no. Entekuma ntena so tompo.
Untumi nkoji no obi adwuma obi store abono.
To question the MP, it should be the party people.
Yes.
Zibokche na adwe ma
so so do party
ade baby a okeka ko na ehu
so do party na
so when you're ready enisa wo sha ase
Debbie,
you don't start a fight that you know you cannot finish.
Absolutely.
Because oh yeah no enkofo businesses waka.
Oh yes.
Enkofo adwuma waka.
Relocation ti among the customers in baby or
ebubu nkofo property.
Yes.
No what jan over months and nothing is going on.
Na se bibia nkoso a.
They should be very careful. They should be very careful. We have to talk truth with power. Ni popo asem no you attain.
No kasem.
I'm telling you.
Power asem on kawasem.
Baby projects I say gidi o ma abandon.
Because Kwame say obi power asem on kan baby a ofom mpo. Or you know your health as over to minimum.
They should be very careful. That place is very sensitive. That besim stretch is very sensitive. Makoyi who bubu nkofo adwuma and no one is going there. And you think you don't have to talk about it? Says ain't. What? Share minister nama omko big push. The truth of the matter, if you get that video, small boy, young guy, what's OSS1? Okache MP say, MP, Okache minister, honorable Kwame Govins Abuza say, honorable. The truth of the matter is say, more buying and kofo de cars abesia. Omuni kwine so. Big push na moyen. Omuni kwine so.
Yes.
Was it that western region or is it one of the regions? Also wo bend on the car abesia.
Nanko omuni kwine so.
No omuni kwine so.
Na kwame wo hwe video bi kra honorable say, eh na yaso motua mobilization.
I have that video here. I think be the abamu.
Come back cut contract no short.
You see? And if you are an armchair leader, that's what happened. Because one of the roads was that road. A minister course, you know. The reality is different.
Yes, and tisa.
And you might actually want to different from the reality. And MP to all be push on their amount. MCT or you guys can tell, you find a way to tell local government minister or call the minister direct, say. And you man now the buy no contract any site. Big push John Dramani Mama His Excellency I bet na say akache sikanita ho. So what's the obstacle? His Excellency John Dramani Mama na nu ton. I see big push sikano eta ho. So what are you guys telling us? Anya fe ni akwa pebo say abe big push. Or see sikanita ho. I am quoting the first gentleman of the land, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. He says sikano etaho big push dia no. Enti mo amode mo kan mo nya ready. Oh yeah, no abeje you resist certificate no abeje. But minister coin reality caught him. Reality catching up ho. Eti nyama omonim se sa kwan we die ekoso no. Mo free one man a contractor ni free o ma bejuju kwan na go ni mfuturo kunkofo first in the no money was better. SS1 ni hwenyansa samo ka kire minister. A minister asked him his challenge and look at what he told the minister. There was another incident. The gentleman said, I am NDC communicator. MCP, me question him say, so is it necessary? But Okache minister say, yes. Me try to me amaban so. But the reality and the truth of the matter, they say, big push na yasha say, money ho.
Mo bayi no mo de infidia be si so adwiri hanum say.
And this is the second year. This is the second year. Yeah. Ya hwe ye be sa na be book mu nkomo. Na be ye book mu nkomo. So I don't see the obstacle now. Look at how he's going. Accra Kumasi dear. But no question pay woman say. As a government, what you have started, honorable, you are doing a great job, a very great job. So ministers in there, sorry, waka ya, and God will bless you for that. But so also ko reality now, but national shield, and I'm so for that. That is the truth. As I'm saying, I'm sure because you are going around, you are checking reality, you are looking at contractors, you are engaging the community for no more. And the actions and the boldness and the vim and courage. Oh wow, what they casache the contractors, it's top notch. Now maybe show, but if so also corner a optics for a camera and media there, yambe triaka. Kwame,
so
ya hwe ya mimi fie ne se ya me anya emre a ya call resin futuro bebre wa kwan so efuturo ne eku nkofo contractors are not they are not on site omonti se minister ba no match as me ka se oyeye bibi minister free wa rabasam so you want to inch and diomu ye obrekum hoyi
Sompa.
One major road.
And they matter say almost tie cry.
Now listen.
So the rebel one say if you move free, ain't it? Boy, so no back market to you. If you say we are carrying I mean,
it was making a very.
So where's the highway people? They should just tell us what percentage what they've been doing.
Where's
so we need fresh water.
they are come back to the yard.
Why are they taking us to?
You know that is when I called you.
The contractor is not working. Why are you taking us to the yard? What are we going to do in the yard?
We were here.
Yes, we are going to go through. So I wouldn't get to where they are working. Yes. So let's. So I don't even know why we stop here. Let's keep working. But we are not going to anybody's yard.
Yeah.
We are not entering the yard. We work. We meet them on the road. And then that's why. Yeah. Whatever they want to do, they present. Okay. So. But it doesn't matter. And I'm saying, if we didn't take mobilization, I would have terminated the job today. What is this? Let's go. Yes. So annoying.
So the rebel one say if you move free, ain't it? Boy, so no back market to you. If you say we are carrying
it was making a very.
So where's the highway people? They should just tell us what percentage what they've been doing.
Where's
so we need fresh water.
they are come back to the yard.
Why are they taking us to?
You know that is when I called you.
The contractor is not working. Why are you taking us to the yard? What are we going to do in the yard? Even know why we stop here. Let's keep working. But we are not going to anybody's yard. We are not entering the yard. We work. We meet them on the road. And then that's why. Yeah. Whatever they want to do, they present. Okay. So. But it doesn't matter. And I'm saying, if we didn't take mobilization, I would have terminated the job today. What is this? Let's go. Yes. So annoying.
Because Abia, no, what they are now private. We want us to know say, and you might deprive the good people in Chibon, and you might deprive them because a full staff be free way up. Because minister there, Sebi, there's no sense. Always I say. So I understand you from certain. So no cry there.
So the rebel one say, if you move free.
But minister Andrew almost say omo yadim. Do you what your kind say it's so annoying. So annoying. Very annoying. And here, government was saying your mama baby, because Mama Patron he was there, and Green Book won't ban some under the time. I almost a future near bright for him. All my tell me and me penti acquire books soon. Me a back is not they said acquiring any hope. Ya cannot cry. Most of a quine baby I know Green Book then you Omoboa ne baby a tro baby almost as ye o man to me. A brain so manco so, but in books near painting fine. And this time round, you want to be there. Or so call First hand information, that is what every minister or person will succeed, and that is what government is doing. But how? To think that no man be chat ratio. Say yeah, quino. To him say your me koso. And look at what is happening. Reality. Look at what is happening. And that's around. I think the contractor might not be a Ghanaian. Because who said Japanese was China for ABJ. So I mind it here. You be see a bua. Sometimes maybe bia was a minister in free over. I ask myself, say, the MC where small president to area on. Report to Ben Ayawdiko. Engineers no supervising a highway ni feeder roads near Ban Road no. Jupa pay no to office or you ye. Ya kind of crenche who where? Ya kind of crenche who. The institutions are failing us. Our technocrats that are supposed to know better are failing us. And the politicians are more oversight responsibility are being lazy and sleeping on their job. Thank God. Say Okaisa chair governs now governs quite around to see what is happening on grounds. To see what is happening on. Sa juma enche kwan we na was NDC for the ehun de more because sa kwan we are more better money. And you know the vote from Inche. Ah, Maza. And everywhere, MYO. So the local government, MMDCs, relevance in your day. If I have a local president, who is my MC, my DC, and then I have the overall president in the region or a regional minister. When it comes to non-political people, which are the technocrats, the artisans, and all these people more, they are supposed to know better. And they are reporting you. That's what I want to do. They are reporting me. I was a minister freeing crime, but no be say. Why? What's wrong with us? Why? Why the lazy approach? Or is it because it's government money? It's a taxpayer. You see, baby, Tobia, I agree so funny say. And maybe I agree say buying sika. Forget to say John Dramani Mama His Excellency Oniske be our. Wow, Nkasa task getting and here JJ man so on for more mine. So it's not Yakobo Bosia Baya, Bosiano, and you know as a person in Ebetria, yen Ebetria. So if we should treat sika resources in that way, Adwene beye adwuma man puntu akoso. A shame. Because I know very well say if things are not wanka, minister don't go jenum gwase. Sika na eta on away. Adwuma na akoso na away. Bibia stand still. But ye tron kratem say big push akoso. Akoso when. Let us be truthful to ourselves and stop being partisan politicians now blindfolded with party colors. What is this? I mean, now not paying and I'm wrap up. I think I have some birthdays and other calls I may engage people.
Of course, I'm going to say, I think the minister, you know, Papa say, Ubenya first hand information and first hand understanding of Kwanya Hodwa, the ama contract, say a cost, say a hifo na drew, say na a city, say be a Ghana Sikano, enco waste. Na oya sanso no besere se ompe mechanism aye de begu akwam se koba se oni around na sa mechanism no will take care of itself nothing so empanyifo no mugu hwan no so ye kwan no ompe koso afukoso na omaye kwan no now ne rounds na all kwana mayati asese contractors ni bi wo ho a intentionally almost sheda menim se me use sa word na me writer intentionally adwuma e woso o moye na eso bamfa so de matime before no ebi teda ebi etumi tekoda wo munye sa adwuma no because if you listen to the minister and before the contractors in some worker if there's any disagreement kra na fine so we will be our principal you would maybe disagree with the minister no watching and say me you know ba could be emu amanati ase but all indications prove say e de kwan ma wo jetum sika kakra ba baby anka wo se kwan no wo ye diduru no unye nuru sa it means say contract na woni aban akono unni so sa na wo ma no nkose de awose eko so continuously awose ye pe mechanism bi ne di monitor ne hunu say contractors yo mo kwan yeso no o me ye juma na sika na mo de ama o mo no eso ebeba mfaso e de ama timemfo ne ye nyina yakọ again to roads ahodo out me say sika ni ho ye raise sika bia nto ho ne de aho bepre ekwa akudwiri ekọ hyase emwa if there's no fund behind say kwan na me enko hare ho me enko pray ho me enko hyase empukra because wo ko hyase a sometimes your downfall sometimes a bit to me adi asem kese bi e de abrow ti ye make sure say answer na ye be hyase ye be ye wi no because me nya sure say even cross nyane ya besim kwan minister be ba ho aba be de contractor and say de nti na wo onya nya yi no hwe ya obetwam na bi because say wo mu a ko gina kwan no so enim nti en woni kwan no so ti yesre a chopa contractors munso munye adwuma musika kemu a ye be ka mamo Ghana fo be ko amamo ni apaji musika amamo yesre mu de aba munso munye na esomra vaso va Ghana fo Kwame
but me hu I don't know how true it is me also the I be atum na me hwe I was interesting chama want to me all right I don't pay ma me hwe say T4 0548931931 no pay dia na ekoso on potem ene ukwada 0551931931 0548931931 0551931931 ene ukwada area ho den na ekoso what do you think say yeah ebeboa for local government ye be developing areas no enkakra Kwame chama wuntumi ayi o mudi abai say okay me ya na ni letter head so ya da
Kwame baby me kofa free ye so no baby me kofa free ye no
ona bo kwasi am ya che me
campaign chairman for chairman wuntumi baby me kofa free ye no
campaign manager
ane
ona bo Archibald Kobina
field operation and delegate mobilization
and the Owusu campaign operations, finance, logistics and programs. And
political affairs, Moses Enim, Sarah Jo Asafo, and Stephen Amwa. Sticker.
I love this.
Sticker. Because we now show class a media house beyond Sakrada. Talk while we could pay me who I say, baby, I did free by idea.
Radio Common Media and Communications.
And a spokesperson, David Wache, a queer free Pope Yao Evo. And a pagri watch it down.
I mean, if I call 0548931931 0551931931. Hello, good morning. Well, who had you out of pay?
Chapala, Yamu Abasole, La Francia, Bakuya, the secretary of Santorin. Let you be on channel of chicken. As you are Santo John, the Mamin channel. Yeah, mention for the Uber commercial Pampaswa. Federal State and Monum. Go kind of the Moshi. Now we are chief executive, Umbe Kama. But I say, don't talk at channel. At that channel, Chanam Labatokum. And then so the triple column for the Bazazwa at the idea, but not something for that. On my engineers and manners to go time so much never said about Solita. Looking at corner, the answer to come up. Now, Mepa and Siam.
All right, yeah, that's it. Also, that why communications on us?
Annie.
Spokespersons, you know. So now, a poop yao.
I shadow and a part Dr. Pagriven so show.
ila.
Untimi wabonu ho kwawe.
Na aid hons wa hwe ho.
Aides no. Justina Marigold Asen Kofi Ofosu Boateng. Kwame.
So ni Marigold.
Ne. Kofi Ofosu Boateng.
Kofi Ofosu Boateng. So ni mono.
Ne.
Keobi.
Hey. Mama mia.
Mohamed Issa.
Mama mia.
Dennis Ochiridanso administrator. Dr. Dennis Ado professionals. Lawyer Kwame Adom Apia.
Mama mia.
Dr. Kwesi A. Echampong. Henry Kwashi external affairs for no. Oba National Test Coordinators any middle bed, northern bed, coastal bed omumwana.
Yeah.
NS Frimpong. Costero, Kwabna Usu Jr. Robert Achim Awisina.
Robert Akayim.
Awasina. Gifty Afrifa. Oba Women Mobilization and Anama Ampoma. Felicia Tete. Welfare Marilyn Yabua. Bright Nyampong. Janet Bibi Bashel. Honorable George
Mrekuduka Electoral Affairs.
Honorable Mrekuduka.
Yes. Aba utimi abwa no.
Michael Kofi Buahin. John N. Asaribediako. Ana Special Operations and Security. Nana Fianko minim na ana.
Ane.
Odim Nana Fianko.
Ane. Nipa unim no.
Like how?
Nipa unim no na. Me se nipa unim no e no a.
Enti. Ada poku frefre. We exclusive for mami boss producer. Mami boss exclusive. So producer say aka 3 minutes birthday ho. Kwame Owusu. Hey. Kwame Nana Fianko. Enyo no. Ebia Nana Fianko foforo.
Okay.
Nana Fianko.
Ane.
Atinga.
Oh, Benny. Unjui wire ground so.
Mama your birthdays, Mr. MCR your birthdays. Happy birthday, Hilda Bassi. Today is your birthday, Hilda Bassi. A glorious birthday to you, beautiful one. May this day be special. May this day bring you all the flying colors that you deserve. You are so beautiful, Hilda. Enjoy this wonderful day. May God be with you, Nyame, and your kese. Nyame shall be brave, Hilda. Happy birthday. We free me kwesi pato ho anebro. Beautiful Hilda, enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Betty. Central SDA Church, Asante Agona. Betty, today is your birthday. Happy glorious birthday to you. We ask for God's favor, God's mercy to you. Way every Moreno of Asante Agona. So Betty, Moreno wants to wish you the very best in life. Nyame enka na enjoy your birthday. So answer a happy birthday to Nana Chum. Happy birthday, Nana. Today is your birthday. Today is a special day. May you enjoy this day, soldier. Nana Chum, aka Chum Lee. We are soldier in your Bema camp. We free sweet melody say on my happy glorious birthday. Nyame ema unkwa chinchin na unshaw so. Soldier, happy birthday. And a happy birthday. Kasianso Enkoma Alex Tete of NPP Operations, manager for Kennedy Japan. Oh, about that, happy birthday. You say Nyame share the mouth. You say Nyame say, Oma Yoko Dro Susum. O Nyame and show when you bebre. You're a special person, so we say happy birthday, Mr. Tete Alex. Happy birthday, sir. On that note, young for sumning in our NC na sports fire ready. Omo metanasi and so elho. Your friend na Kwame also Nkwantabisa. A man from Nkwantabisa ni ote Kwame Jakun and Sansa Barbara the Jap production.